Open Windscribe VPN. Open CapCut app, download link in the description. Choose video you want to edit. Choose animation according your choice. Numerous animations available layer. Add trending audio. Go to effects, then add effects to make your video trending. Then export your video to the highest available quality. Your 4K reel is now ready. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video.